Alright, YouTube, before the video begins, please make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, that way you never miss a video. Hey guys, how you doing? Steve Gorniak here from GTradeNow.com. I wanted to bring you guys in the market real quick. I'm currently in the at the money trade hourly. What I did was buy the market. Now I'm sitting in a real nice position here. I'm going to let this trade roll in the back. I got my chart open on the other screen, and we're sitting nice. So I'm not really too worried about exiting this trade at the moment. If it starts moving back down, I will hop out, however. But the main reason I'm making this video is to talk about our signal group. All right. We are currently 19-3 in the last week and a half. This week we are 9-0, 10-0 with this trade, and I really want to get 10 more people to make our group pretty full. And Hassan is doing a fabulous job during the day, guys. He is alerting prior to him even taking a trade, alerting you guys to understand, hey, I need to be by my phone. There is a trade coming, so that way you guys have ample opportunity to place the trade, as well as we're telling you guys what work order price you should be getting. So for instance, if we want you to get 50, we'll tell you put a work order for 50. Sometimes I usually range it 40 to 50 we're looking at, okay? And we tell you the strike, the time zone that we're going to be trading, and basically, we pretty much do it all for you guys. Like, all you have to do is get the text and place the trade. I also alert when my take profit hits. I also alert when I exit the trade. We also tell you if we think we're going to cut a loss, let's cut a loss. We had a couple out of the monies hit. We used a couple of them were like $15, and we scalped them each and made $20 off of 15. So 15 to make 20. It's a pretty good investment. Could have made even more if we held on, but like I said, let's take the money and run. And that's what we always strive to do here, is take the money and run. Don't sit and hold. Let's just get our money and move on to the next one, which I'm looking at doing here, honestly, in this trade that's playing in the background. You know, I don't really want to sit around. I want to get into some 5-minute trades. So I'm looking, let's see, we got 64. Let's see if we can get $20. Let's put a work order to sell back at, let's go 85, so that dollar commission comes off. All right, so I'm going to place that there. But really would like 10 more people. Still getting a lot of questions as far as, you know, the coupon, whatnot. Yes, the coupon's still there. And you know, about the hourly and 5-minute both, you can use for any currency, any time. All right, as long as there's no crazy news. I don't really like to trade news. I mean, news is good and bad. You can trade. I sometimes trade news, but it's unstable. I really like to avoid that. So as you can see, my take profit just hit, which is awesome. That was a good trade. Everything was in our favor. The resistance level there at the 112.12 strike was just super strong. Saw that on the 4-hour. I was really looking at that level. But you know, like I said, you don't need to be someone that sits on the computer. You don't have to. You don't. You can place your trade, set a take profit, and be on your way. You know, all you need is to go to my website, GTradeNow.com, sign up for our alert system. You know, that the month-long service, you're gonna make your money back. You should be making your money back if you're smart and you take the profit that we recommend you take. Are we gonna be 100% the whole month? No one's 100%. You know, this week has been phenomenal. We haven't lost this week. I've talked to about 2 people that are in my group personally, and they love it. one of the guys, he's already eager to sign up for next month, and he still got a week left. So you saw me in that trade. Now with the hourly, you can trade it on every currency. I just so happen to have another setup on USDJPY. USDJPY, for me, I've been trading it for years. I know how this market works. It's a very predictable market. So a lot of times you'll see me trading that. I like that one, and I love Euro USD personally. Those are markets I'm really, really familiar with. But you can trade every single one of them if the setup is there, and that's the thing. Don't trade the trade the setup. Trade the rules. There's a checklist that you got to go over. All right, guys, read your indicators, and really just trade small, trade often. Don't hold if you don't have to hold. Take your money. All right, All right, guys, I'm bringing you guys back in the market. I wanted to take some 5-minute trades. I just really haven't seen a setup really that I want to take. So I went in and got in another hourly trade. Still the same currency. This thing is very trendy. It's making a lot of the same moves. So I did go ahead and buy the market, saying it's going to stay above 112.20. Excuse me. So as you can see, I'm in profit. This is available on my website. This is my hourly in the money, at the money combination strategy. I'm getting about $40 profit per contract here. I won't probably stay until expiration. I will probably just take my profits. I got the chart open on the other side, so I'm sitting pretty good right now. I will bring you guys back in when I'm about to exit this trade. But this is kind of the results that you really can get pretty quick. I think I placed this trade maybe, let's see, I sent the signal at 7:39, so it's been about 13 minutes. We were up like 12 at one point. It's kind of teetering back and forth, but regardless, we're in green and we're not in red, and we're up 3 pips on our strike with a good amount of time. So I'm gonna pause, and we'll bring you guys back. All right, guys, my working order, as you saw, hopefully you got to see it. It just closed out. It kind of happened pretty fast. I sent that signal at 7:39, so let's call it 7:40. We just exited that trade at 8:01. So all in all, I sent out 2 winning signals while I was trading this evening, and Hassan sent out 3 today, so 5-0 on the day, and overall 11-0 on the. Hopefully you guys got to see that take profit just hit. Let me show you my email real quick. All right, here we go. So I placed this trade. This was a signal. I got in at 61.50. We placed this to expire at 12 a.m. I got the confirmation email saying that my trade was on the buy or on the sell back down. We sold at 82.50. I took $20 on that trade profit. Now this was all using my hourly at the money. So this is kind of the things you can expect. So you saw those emails. So those are kind of the things you get to endure when you're trading hourly. Okay. My name is Steve Gorniak. Again, our Signal Group is on fire. We are now 11-0 on the week. So, take advantage. I'm looking for 10 people. All right, that's all. It's really all I want. I'm gonna close. I'm thinking about just taking on 10 more, and then and we're gonna go from there. All right, guys. Let me show you. Let me show you something real quick. I have a client in my Signal group. His name is blocked off, so it's okay. But I wanted to show you this, and I will block this off. I was talking to him personally. All right. He got in at that same trade I just took. All right. Let's see. So inside the group is when I sent all the signals. All right. Said filled and take profit. That was 1 minute after I sent it. All right, I told him I'm looking to take profit at the 112.26 level. I'm going to take a contract off. All right, so, he asked me because I told him to set a take profit for $20 just like I did. All right, I took a contract off at the 112.26 level. And then right there. So he just got his email, take profit fill. Thanks for the wins. Going to hit the rack. So thanks for the wins. So he's brand new today to the Signal group. He profited. I'm not sure how many contracts he bought, but definitely got $40 if he just got one contract. So, and he joined this group this afternoon. So he even missed Hassan's trades this morning. So he would be close to breaking even if he bought more than one contract. All right, so those are some of the things you get to expect. So come on over to gtradenow.com and join our Signal group. Give it a chance. Take care.